For a high-performance ribbed belt that's got more size and strength than most on the market, look no further than the Optibelt Conveyor Power RB, used in all fields of the transport and logistics industries. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. While standard round belts can usually drive only 6 rollers, the Optibelt Conveyor Power elastic rib belts can drive up to 25 rollers per powered motor side. With 97% efficiency in a rubber mixture on the profile side that combines high abrasion resistance with maximum grip, the Conveyor Power belt can transport up to 1,200 kilograms in weight, depending on speed and acceleration. The belt is also suitable for a wide range of conditions and can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees up to 80 degrees. This means it can operate on conveyors in cold storage facilities where other polyurethane belts may not. The belt's unique tension cords of high-quality polyamide provide increased resistance to elongation, making it suitable for the frequent stop-start cycles of conveyors and particularly suitable for curves. With versatility, strength and length, the Optibelt Power Conveyor will meet your transport and logistics needs. For more information, simply go to optibelt.com. And thank you for watching.